Welcome and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's me, Precious, and I'm here again to just share my jump rope transformation with you. I am on my way to getting fit and reaching my hourglass look that I'm going for, so come along with me. And we're starting today by doing our jumping jacks. I do these for basically about 45 seconds before I transition into my next move. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. I do answer all of my comments. So let's go. Next, we're going to go ahead into our 45 seconds of skipping at a regular pace. Do this at your own pace. Let's move forward into our deep squats. We're going to deep squat for 45 seconds. If you need a break, go ahead and take one and then get straight into your squats. Let's go. As you can see, this is the only break that I am taking, and that's long enough to get my rope. So 45 seconds of skipping at your own pace. As you can see here, I'm picking up the pace just a little bit to get started, but 45 seconds of jumping strong. Let's go. I actually took a real break right here, y'all, for about 30 seconds, and then I got right back into my jumping. If you made it this far, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, because I'm working hard. We're trying to get the hourglass shape, and come along with me for the journey. Now we're going to transition our way into our trunk twisters, and we're going to do this for 45 seconds. Keep moving, keep breathing, keep pushing for it. Let's go. Okay, we're moving into our transitions, and we're going to do high knees at an angle, one leg at a time. We are working on it for 15 seconds each leg, and you just have to keep going and push through. You can do it. Let's go. go ahead and get ready for our running skips. And we're basically going to get started, and we're going to push through for 45 seconds at a medium speed. And just want to pick up the pace just a little bit here to keep the heart rate going for that perfect hit. As you can see, I'm giving you a side view so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. We're leaving our skips and we're getting right into jumping jacks. 45 seconds bust through. This time we are not taking any breaks, and we're going to go straight into our deep squats. So just keep moving and keep up the pace, and we'll get there soon. Okay, we're going straight into our pulsating squat. So right here, I want you to hold it for 3 counts in your squats and come up strong. And we're going to do this for 45 seconds. Pulsating squats. Keep going. Let's move forward and get straight into our trunk twisters. Push through. If you need a break, go ahead. We have 45 seconds of trunk twisters right in front of us. Let's go. And we're going to go ahead and start in our high knees, and we're doing 20 seconds on each leg. Push through, no breaks, keep moving forward. Let's get that heart rate up. Let's keep it pumping. Keep going. Let's go. And we're going to move straight into our jump rope and twist. And you'll see what I mean as I do it for you. I am adding a twist to each side. We are definitely working on those love handles. We're going to keep moving forward, and we're going to do this at a high rate of speed. Keep up. Busting out the last 15 seconds with my running skips, and I'm going to move on into the next movement. You can do squats here or whatever you feel comfortable with, but this works for me because I am looking to work my back muscles. I am looking to squat and bend because, like I said, I'm trying to get hips and lats, and I am moving forward. Let's go. is our last workout, y'all, and we can bust through this with our highest speed skips, and we're basically going to keep going, pushing through as fast as we can. And yes, we are going to get tired. However, we can keep going, and we will. So push through, push through. We are at the end, ladies and gentlemen. If you made it this far, like I said, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Meet me on my Instagram at Precious Kisses, and I will see you all in the meantime.